say goodbye to your ElevenLabs subscription because VoiceBox works insanely well and is completely free. What you are listening to now is a clone of my voice using this tool, and it is bizarrely accurate. Just head over to VoiceBox's website and click the download button. Once you've installed it, simply click on Create Voice and then the fun part begins. No subscriptions, no accounts, nothing. Just locally on your machine. You can upload an audio file, record your own voice, or if the sound is coming from another app, capture your system audio. When you are finished, give it a name and click on Create Profile. The first time you use it, it'll download a speech model in the background. Once that's done, you can start processing audio right away. Just click the voice profile you just created, type what you want to say, and hit Generate Speech button. Okay, so now over to the real me. It is pretty accurate, right? Everything that you generate will show up here on the right side. You can also click it in order to hear what it has generated. Just click the voice profile you just created, type what you want to say, and hit Generate Speech button. Yeah, so that's very nice. Of course, you can here click these three dots. You can either replay it, you can export the audio, you can do other stuff, regenerate if you don't like the output. You can even apply certain effects. If you click here, then a new pop-up will show in your screen where you can either add an effect, like reverb, delay, compressor, gain, high-pass filter, and whatever. You can also load a certain preset, like if you want to sound robotic, like a radio, echo chamber, deep voice, all kinds of possibilities. So yeah, I think that's pretty cool, right? Now, I also haven't explored this app a lot yet, so I don't need to pretend here that I know it all. But I saw when we create voice, we see here also built-in voice. So that means that there are some voices already present. So let's say we click on Adam and we give this a voice name, like this is not Wesley English, but let's keep it just Adam. We will create a profile for Adam. Now I saw that we have a story function. This one, I think. Stories, yeah. So this is a pretty interesting function. We can click New Story. Let's click, yeah, it doesn't matter, my story. Create. And now you can see you can generate speech in my voice or in Adam's voice. So we can now, for example, say here that Adam, or that I say, who writes the best blog posts? We click on Generate. Now over here on the right top you see that it's generating one audio. We have to just wait until it's done. So there you go, now it's ready, and then it will show up here like on a timeline, you know. You can play it. Who writes the best blog posts? And then, of course, you can also then generate something in another voice. And let's say Adam wants to say, of course, Wesley writes the best blog posts. Hit generate. If you do this for the first time, it seems it needs to connect. Okay, it said download complete, but it's generating one audio, so we now have to wait until it's finished. There you have it. I have no idea how Adam sounds, but let's hear it. Who writes the best blog posts?
Wesley writes the best blog posts.
Okay. Yeah, pretty cool, right? If you have some decent voices, then I think you can play around with it really nicely. So then the app also has other functionalities.
Wesley writes the best blog posts.
All right. I know that I write the best blog posts. Yeah, there are some other functionalities which you can explore, but I think the program is pretty cool. You do need a system with some decent RAM memory, because it can take some time before it has generated a voice. I think this is really a great alternative for paying yet another subscription. You probably have already enough subscriptions, but yeah, this is just something I came across and I wanted to share that with you. The download link, or at least a link to this VoiceBox app, is in the description, and I hope it will serve you well.